Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss start new chapter of science, that is body movement, okay, and that is a biology section, okay. So in biology we will start first chapter 8, that is body movement. Chapter body movement, okay. What do you mean by body movement? Movement means simply the body parts which shows the locomotion, shows the motion, that is a movement. That is what? That is a movement. Simply we can say that locomotion and body movements in animals. We know that all living organisms movement move. The movement may occur in the whole body of the organism or only in the certain parts of it. So first topic is locomotion. What is locomotion? Locomotion, the movement of an organism bodily from the movement of an organism, the movement of an organism bod, bodily from one place to another is called locomotion. Okay, locomotion means the movement of organism bodily, means the body parts which can show movement from one place to another is called a locomotion. Means अपने one place से दूसरी place पे अगर उसका position change होता है by the help of their bodily form, then that is known as locomotion. Clear? For examples, there are some examples in animals: humans, cow, fish, snakes. In humans, which part of body can move? Legs. Okay, for leg what we do? Walk. Okay, cow legs walk, fish tail and fins swim, snakes whole body, in snakes whole body. Okay, crow and slither, birds wings fly. These are the animals in which their body parts which can show the locomotion. With the help of that body parts they can move. Clear? Okay, now next topic is simply locomotion help animals. Locomotion helps in animals to move from unfavorable environment to favorable environment. Okay, locomotion helps the movement to move from unfavorable environment to favorable environment. Second thing is to find their food and water. To find their food and water, they want to move from one place to another. For what? For to find the food and water, to protect themselves from enemies. If anyone attack on the any animals, then what they do? They start locomote. They start movement. Okay, they start movement and they starts to move from that place. Okay, to find their partners for production. To finding their partners for their reproductions, to find suitable places for laying eggs or rearing their young ones. These are the parts through which they locomote, and their locomotion can help to do these uh, terms. Okay. Now next, body movement. Body movements. A change in position of an simply movement. What we get? A change in the position of any part of the body, any part of the body with respect to its axis is called movement. Okay, means the change in the position of any part of the body. बॉडी के किसी पार्ट के पोजीशन में अगर चेंज होता है then that is a what? That is a body movement. Clear? Okay. For example, we can say that when you agree or disagree while someone, you shake your head. This shaking of head is called a movement of head. Clear? Movement of head, because head is the parts of body. So they can say that is a movement. Clear? That is a head movement. For any body movement, energy and coordination between different organs system are required. All animals meet their energy requirement through nutrition and respiration. The decision about the movement is made by the nervous system depending upon the stimulus. The nervous system then directs the muscular and the skeletal system of the body to move. Okay? Some very important movement in your body are some very important movement. Some important movements are what? See here. Some important movements. Okay. Some important movements of body parts. That is what? In our body part, first is movement. Movement of teeth. Okay. This is very compulsory. Movement of teeth and jaw. And jaw. During what? During eating. Okay. Now circulation of blood in the body. Second movement is what? Circulation of blood. Circulation of blood. And next one is what? Movement of the heart muscles. Movement of the heart muscles. Okay, because heart muscles always move. Okay, always in motion. Now next, movement of eyelids. Movement of eyelids. Clear? These are the eyelids. These are the movement which are very important for our body part. Okay, clear? Okay, now. Okay, class. Now we will discuss next topic. Human body and its movements. Next is human body and its movement. Clear? Our body has a lot of flexibility, it can move its parts in different direction easily. Okay. For example, you can rotate your arm. You can rotate your arm around your shoulder. You can move your arm sideways, upward and downwards. These are the movement of your arms. Okay. You can bend your arm in the elbow, at the elbow. You can bend it the backwards. You can bend your arms like this. Okay. These are the movement of your arms. But these movements are only from that point where they can move. Okay. Means from the elbow. From that elbow you can move your arm. You can bend your leg at the knee. At the point of knee, you can bend your leg. You can't bend it beyond 180 degree, but you also can't move or bend beyond 180 degree. Clear? You can turn your neck around up and down and side by side. You can also move your neck side by side and up and down. Okay? Not whole 60 degree. Clear? From the movement of certain part of body, you can see that a few parts will move easily in various direction. Some other parts can be moved only in one or two direction or through certain single angle only, and some parts cannot be moved at all. Means आपने ये देखा कुछ parts पूरी तरीके से movement में है, कुछ part थोड़े बहुत movement में और कुछ part बिल्कुल movement नहीं है. Clear? Now these are these movements are only from the point that is known as joint. That is known as bone joint. So write next topic, bone joints. Okay. What is bone joints? Why are we able to move only certain parts of body? From the observation made in previous section, we noticed that the movement of body parts is possible only where two parts of body meet. Means movement वहाँ possible है जहाँ पे दो parts आपस में meet कर रहे हैं. Okay. If you examine such location in your body, you find that all such locations, two or more bones are joined. Means आप ऐसे locations को देखेंगे अपने body में, वहाँ पे वो locations होते हैं जहाँ पे दो बोन या दो से अधिक बोन joint होते हैं. Okay? The location in your body where two or more bones are joined are called bone joints, and they are called what? Bone joint, or simply as joints. All our movements are brought about by joints and muscles. At joint, the bones are held together by ligament. Listen carefully. The bones where the two bones are joined or more than two bones are joined, they join with the help of their ligaments. They join with the help of ligaments. Clear? So if anyone asks you what is ligament, then you say that by the help of ligament the two bones are joined together. Clear? Means term ligaments. Okay, by this ligaments the bones are joined. Okay, with the help of this ligament the two bones or more than two bones are joined together. Clear? At the time of birth, human body has about 300 bones. Some of the bones gradually get fused together, and adult has 206 bones in her body. Clear? Listen, at birth time, birth के समय, listen, at birth time, birth के समय जब बेबी बॉर्न होता है उस समय उनके पास लगभग 300 बोन्स होते हैं. क्लियर? बट जैसे ये एडल्ट बॉडी एडल्ट में कन्वर्ट होती है, ठीक, तो वो बोन्स कुछ बोन्स क्या कहते हैं, फ्यूज हो जाते हैं, मिक्स हो जाते हैं बॉडी में, और केवल एक एडल्ट बॉडी में 206 बोन्स होते हैं. क्लियर? इसको आप लिख लीजिएगा. क्लियर? There are different type of joints in our body. They are described in the next section. Clear? First to note it. Okay, class. Now we'll discuss next topic, that is types of bone joint. Now we will discuss types of bone joint. What is bone joints? Bone joints. Types. Types of bone joint. Okay. Now there are some joints that is known as fixed joint and movable. First, fixed joints. These joints are first fixed joint. Okay, fixed joints, and next is movable joints. Okay, okay, movable joints. Okay, by the help of this this diagram we can understand what the how many types of joints. Fixed joints, the joints which are the joint about which movement of bones is not possible. Simply fixed joint means the joint by the help of that joint the movement is not possible, that is known as fixed joint. And the joint by the help of that joint when the movement is possible, that is known as movable joint. Clear? The zipper-like joint of a cranium brain case is a fixed joint. Okay. Movable joint, there are two types of freely movement joints and partially movement joint. This movement is now divided into two parts. First is freely movable joint and this is partially movement joint. Clear? The four major movable joints in the body are described below. Four movable joints are described below. That is what? That is first ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Okay. The joint in which the rounded end of one bone fits into cavity of the other bone is called a ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint means what? This is socket and this is, suppose that this is a ball and this is fixed here and they movement like this. Okay, they movement like this. Clear? This is a ball and socket joint. Clear? Ball and socket joint permit movement of bones in all direction. Bones in all direction. Okay. The joints between the shoulder and the upper arm between thigh and hip are ball and socket joint. This joint, suppose this is example of the ball and socket joint. From this shoulder, you can move this hand in all direction. Clear? So this is what? This is a ball and socket joints. Clear? Understood? Okay. Okay. Now class listen. In next class we will discuss the next topic. Okay, all of you revise it this topic. Clear? Okay. Thank you to everyone.